gonna give you up.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Steph Bond, and I'm in love with beauty and makeup and skincare. So I thought I would make a YouTube to do some looks like this bumblebee look that I did today. And I'm probably gonna start with some talk through videos just because I'm not as comfortable talking on camera as I would like to be. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you're a friend of mine that I know personally or from Instagram, or I hope that I will get to know you at some point. This is Mr. Tubbs. I got him a year and 7 or 8 months ago. He is my baby. He's my everything. Mwah, 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 mwah. I love him. This really means a lot to me, and I'm so excited to see where it goes. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. You can follow me on Instagram at BondFamousSkin. I will link it. I was gonna say you can text me, but I won't give my phone number out on the internet because I'm sure so many of you will be asking for it. Probably not, but and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Alright, so we're gonna start this tutorial. Sorry if I'm not the best at voiceover. I will try to get better. This Touchland hand sanitizer is amazing. I received it in a PR package, and it's perfect for my kit and for having it on my vanity. So you always want clean hands when you're gonna be touching your face or someone else's face, or anytime at all. Egyptian Magic is literally magic. It makes my lips so hydrated and plump, and I also put it in my eyebrows at night. Supposedly it can help them grow, and I need that growth because my eyebrows are already filled, and trust me, they are sparse. So this eyeliner from NYX is from the Vivid Brights collection. It's amazing. It has a beautiful, very pointy applicator, so it went on really nicely, and I could make the shape that I wanted, and it dried fast, but not too fast, so I could still work with it, and I really loved it. So just love this yellow color. It was so much fun to play with. Alright, so I'm sure you guys know this trick, but I always have like 20 Q-tips on my vanity to help clean up my eyeliner, to help clean up my brows. Q-tips are just amazing, and it's a really good trick to help get that clean, sharp edge. So now we are going to go in with some black eyeliner, and this one I won from a giveaway on Instagram. It's from this Korean brand, and I seriously love it more than my Kat Von D liner. So I'll definitely be purchasing this again, and I will link all the products below. Oh, that's the honeybee that inspired me. This primer from First Aid Beauty is so good. It has a like pearlescent glow, so it really looks beautiful on the skin. And I also bought these Makeup Revolution drops because I love having glowy skin, and I was gonna buy the Cover FX ones, but these were only $9, and they're literally the same thing. So they look beautiful on the skin. Like, look at that pigment. Oh my god. Glazed donut. Yes. So I put this on my face, and then I just blended it out, and it just looked absolutely beautiful. So the foundation that I'm using today is from Wet n Wild. It's one of my favorite foundations. It's the Photo Focus one, and it looks amazing in pictures. It's not too matte, but it's not super dewy, and I just love it. I've repurchased this probably like 5 times. It's seriously so good, and it's only like $5, so. This brush from Morphe is one of my favorites. I will only use this brush or a beauty blender to do my foundation. It's just seamless. There's no streaks. It's a really nice size, and it works so well, and I'm obsessed with it. So I definitely recommend it, and it's only like $12, I think, and it's gold, so super cute. We're just blending away. Always got to cover that ear, okay? You can't have, as you can see, I'm very pale in the face, and I use self-tan on my body, but not my face, and you always got to get those ears. This Born This Way concealer is so good. It's dewy and a little bit matte, but I really don't even need to set it, and it's just so pigmented. And also this is a size like 5.5 ounces, so it's really worth it, and it's so good. And then I just kind of did some bronzing with this Wet n Wild bronzing stick. This is another Fenty dupe, so it's really affordable, and I kind of wish I contoured more, because when I talked at the beginning of this video, I feel like my face looks kind of big, which I'm not a fan of, but it's fine. Now I know what to do for my next video, so we're just blending that forehead away. And now I'm going in under my eyes to blend my concealer with this Morphe brush. It is such an amazing brush, and I really tap the concealer lightly into my under eye, and you'd never want to pull or push too hard, so it's really important to be really gentle on your skin when applying makeup. We're just blending away. Blending is so important. You always want to have the blending down, so it takes a ton of time, and this video was much longer, so I cut a lot of blending out. Now you gotta do that jawline, because if you're like me and you got a double chin sometimes, you gotta, you know, cut that jaw. This Wet n Wild bronzer is so good, so affordable and amazing. And then I love my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter powder. It's amazing. Then we're finishing off with some highlight from Fenty Beauty. This is Trophy Wife, just sort of going for that gold yellow honey glow. Always got to get that Cupid's bow and also highlight the nose. Looking like a sunny, glowy glazed donut. Now I love the Sephora lip liner. They're so pigmented and beautiful, and they're only like $10 or $12. And then we're going to finish off with some Pixi Glow Mist. I love this mist. I also received this in the giveaway, and it feels amazing on the skin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look, and I promise I'll get better at these. And I love you guys so much, so stay tuned for my next video.